Camden? Camden? Camden?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Well, get up. We gotta get ready for today's shoot. Hello? McFly? Camden, get up. I need you to clean the toilets. Camden, I need you to get up. You need to clean the toilets right now.
I already cleaned your stupid toilets.
Excuse me?
I am sick and tired of you telling me to do stupid and meaningless work.
Well, the toilets weren't gonna clean themselves.
Next time, you do it. I didn't come here to clean your toilets, man.
Come on, buddy. What would Jesus do?
He wouldn't clean your stupid toilets!
I guess it's on like Donkey Kong.
What does that even mean?
Get up.
You punch like a girl.
Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. Twice. Well, it looks like it's time to fight dirty.
Well, good. Because this is a dirty business. With a dirty boss. Who has dirty money and dirty toilets!
You see? You're a nothing. A nobody. Now get up before I put you in a wheelchair. You'll never be anything but a stupid, wimpy intern.
Is that all you got?
Why, you little? Camden? Camden, are you okay? Are you okay? You're not having an asthma attack or something.
No, I'm fine.
Hey, I really appreciate you coming early today. I really appreciate all your efforts.
No problem.
You know what? I'm gonna take care of the toilets today.
Damn right you will.
What was that?
Let me know who else you need.
You're the best, buddy.
Don't fall asleep with your eyes closed, bitch.
What a great kid.
Rolling. Recording. Take 2. Action. Action. That was, dude, that was.
I am sick and tired of you telling me to do stupid, meaningless work.
Well, the toilets weren't going to clean. Blah, blah, blah.
Let's do it again.
Careful with
What'd
what
you
say.
say?
I'm recording all of this.
No, you're not. Are you really? Alright, watch out. Move. You dumb.